Today, we'll show you how to install your Blindsgalore Luxera dual sheer shades. Before you begin, check your box to ensure that your window treatment is as ordered and your install guide and hardware is included. Also, confirm your shades fit properly by holding them up to the window frame and checking measurement accuracy. For install, you will need a tape measure, screwdriver, power drill with drill bits, and a pencil. You may also need a level, and for taller windows, a ladder. Consider drywall anchors if mounting directly into drywall without a stud. Your first installation step is to mark the drill sites for the brackets. We recommend measuring at least 1 inch from the back of the window frame for easy installation and removal. Drill the marked points, and then screw in the brackets. Lift the headrail and slide the front of the bracket into the top groove. Then push the back side of the headrail up, locking it into place. Test your shades by raising and lowering slowly to ensure even movement. You also want to check for proper tension by stopping it mid-window. From measuring to installing, we're here to help you every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.